I'm going to be telling you about this Galaxy S24 phone that's only $130 on TEMU. You can even find ones that's only $100 here, but I don't think that's a Galaxy S24. But here's the thing. First off, let's look at the phone. Let's see what it's about. Now you can see this is something called Unlocked Dual SIM 5G Android phone equipped with Android 13 system and all of these. It's just the specs on the name here, right? And there's no Galaxy S24, even though it's blatantly Galaxy S24 here. It even has the S Pen there, right? Now let's see what this is about. You see, this is what the phone looks like. It looks awfully a lot like a S24, right? Now let's scroll down. Let's see what it's about after here. Let's see, right? This is what the phone looks like. You can see this is more of the image, a lot more here, like other deals, right? Now let's first think about this, right? How much is an actual Galaxy S24? It's around $300 or maybe $400, right? But somehow, Temu can be selling it for around $130, right? Now, again, let's think about this. How is it so cheap? Now, you might think it's because of coupons, might be because of special deal, flash sales, but flash sales or deals or discounts that are this low are usually something that's only reserved for like lucky individual who got picked in a raffle, or they're really doing a big sale. But let's just assume that this is unrealistic, right? Now, you can see unfortunately, it has a one-star review, and this is something that happens a lot in Temu, right? In Temu, someone would sell a phone that has an outer shell of a really popular phone. So think S24, iPhones, Xiaomi, the flagships, all of them. They would make the shell, the outer layer, look like a really expensive phone, but on the inside, the specs are actually pretty trash. That's why they could sell it for really cheap. Now you can see if I go to the reviews here, extremely slow after installing all apps and rebooted. Still slow, software too slow to open and refresh. I reset to factory and no difference, still slow. This is the review on their official Temu website here. So if you buy this, beware. This is not a real Galaxy S24, even though it looks awfully a lot like it. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.